Ikiombe kemo kia enda Femicide Kenya liskula lero niko kiabwatoka amegeli gochia sabali kia mangana na bagabara likurwa somo chubo songa bigorongo rwagusi munenchere moyo kubwaterana asukoralia chinchere cyo gukora kisegi chege ngana bigogochererwa kumwana umunyaruka abigogati yabali kia mangana bekirana kurwa sigeta sen kia Getembe TV niko bali kuragwe masemo na Erika Buga abigono yominto Daniela Ontiri
asumukia bukurwania kisegi chigenka asorogongo rwogusi na gusiria ugwitwa kwa basubati na baiseke kobwatekana ni kisegi chigenka ikikeerera bange gusiria magimabo ebyombe au ni gobigo byegendere wesokia asoko ene kebona babwateranire asugusiria isegi gam na babongwega ne kyombe kya End Femicide Kenya ekyo litkolero kyaligania gikaro gyokwena na migilio asabali kia mangana kurwa sorogongo rwogusi igoro yenchera barari asogusiria chisegie chiga chigenka mwiga oikirenwa nabali kia mangana kurwa sibitaseni au kurwa sorogongo rwogusi asegetaseni kia Getembe getatu gomagiga asekia bwatuka Erika Buga no muralia Brian Sagini asokonyora amegilia iga.
So we are here to call on everybody that femicide is a national crisis and it needs to be declared as a national crisis because most of the women are dying every day and we need to find justice, and also we condemn the killing of women. We want to say with all forms without fear that killing of women is illegal in the constitution because it basically means we are denying somebody a right to live.
Asumwega yokoreka asumubugani yomo ime yomo chobo songo abatenelia bagani obarwa hesababu ya benene aso kubwaterania abali kyamangana na kuliyenjera barabwaterane aso wikiranye kirenge kiga.
We have many issues like recently Seth Njeri's body was brutally murdered in Thika, and we've seen extreme forms like even boiling a human being's body and boiling, and then you put it in a basket, in a polythene bag, so that you go and throw away. So the femicide are happening in Kenya and we cannot be silent because these things are really happening.
Asense mwende abaralia nigo bago keregetambo kerekiga na kuruira gocha kubwaterana na bubwatani au eriko kyania na gosiria pi ogwitukwega kwa bangina na basubati boigo abana bake abanyaruka.
I'll only say human rights belongs to everyone and we all have the right to live.
To are very urged nga tutumye chi platform cheto buya tatebya abantu baito bamenye no morembe ende problem ya femicide usogo ito kwa basubati kunyara ko bakwera society ito ya Kenya asagusi nabakwani bande batebire ne problem ya beire concern ya ngere ko grow at a fast rate to regularly ngabasubati mbale baraitiro in the recent past como corona ne problem which is growing, so the other part of the solution as a shide yangire ko image as a society ito
aiga nigago cha chinga kibyombe au boigo bigendere to gusuguma ikirenga kya matuko 15 nelimo yokurwania amangana yichisegi chigenka obosarwa ko mwana mweseke nobonerilia wechingincho au ngolbotere gatasani kya Getembe kureiga se county ya Kisii leterane nguruku Daniel Ontiri.